Hey everyone, it's the holidays, hence the hat, and I'm unwrapping something special. An Italian Brainrot mystery bag that I recently procured on a trip to Florence with a pit stop at my very first auto grill. Beautiful. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Now, the packaging is sealed with grommets, which means that opening this bag will most likely end up with a ripped bag. Doesn't stop us from our first item, a coloring book / sticker book for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Perfect gift for any TMNT fan. Look at that. Stickers for days, activities for days, coloring for days. Turtle power. Next up, let's see what we got here. Oh, some Italian Brainrot trading cards. All right. Got a full deck here. And card number 1 is Trick Track Barabum. Looks like a zucchini puppy thing with giant man feet. Card 2, Cappuccino Assassino. I like this guy. No notes. Next card is Bombardiero Crocodilo. It's a crocodile airplane with a missile. He's great. What do we got here? Oh. We've got 2 duplicates in a row. It's ta sahur, and the card says La polizia va via. Huh. All right, next card is a Matteo. And then another Matteo. All right, after Matteo, now we have, Tralalero Tralala. He might be one of my favorites. Oh, wait. Got another duplicate of Bombardino Crocodilo, so if you'd like to trade, you just let me know. We can trade. All right, let's see what else is in the bag. Are these erasers? Or, like, they kind of feel like erasers, but they have the characters on it. We got Tralalero Tralala and Cappuccino Assassino front and center here. Whether or not they're erasers, I might just use them as D&D miniatures, so that's fine. All right, diving back into the bag. Oh! Looks like I missed a trading card. It's another duplicate of Trip Track Barabum. Like I said, if you want to trade, hit me up. All right, back into it. What do we got next? It's an Italian Brainrot activity book, all themed for Italian Brainrot, for all you Italian Brainrot fans. Let's see, there's coloring pages. Oh, there she is. We didn't get any of her cards. What else we got? Oh, some more coloring. Oh, we got some mazes. Perfect. Oh, some sticker challenges, so you can identify each of these classic characters, and so much more. All right. What is next? Oh, sorry. It's like I missed another eraser thingy in the bag. There he is. It's this guy. It's like a cow planet. Yeah. Oh, and we also have the rule card for the Italian Brainrot card game. So if you hit that QR code, screenshot it if you'd like, you get the rules for the game. Now, look at him. I don't know who he is, but he's squishy. I didn't get the card, so I have no point of reference, but it's a little squishy Yeah. And, oh. We have a keychain here. Let's take a look. And I know this guy's on the bag, but who is this? He looks like a sentient baseball bat holding a baseball bat. Well, I have a keychain of him now. All right, one last thing. Oh, well, sorry for tearing this apart. Like I said, your bag's probably not going to survive any unboxings, but there is some... come on now. A little extra. There we go. The bottom cardboard framework is something you can color with a cute little penguin guy with a pencil and a crown. I like him. He's cool. And, well, that's our Italian Brainrot mystery bag. Merry Christmas. Buon natale. Enjoy.